Hello everybody, I am Magdalena and I joined Air Liquide 2 years ago as data project leader. Today I work as delivery team manager and I have the chance to work at the digital factory in Paris. Let's go! At the digital factory, basically, we accelerate the value creation of transformative initiatives. To do that, we use product-centric and data-driven approaches. We help our business teams with their digital transformation. The goal at the end is to improve the experience of Air Liquide customers, patients, and employees. We are here in the center of Paris. It's a vibrant ecosystem of creativity and collaboration. We are also in an international place, working with people from all over the world. I also have the chance to be surrounded by various experts on digital, user researchers, designers, software engineers, and so on. Today I manage 3 people. With my team, we build bridges between business teams and digital and IT teams. At Air Liquide, digital and IT careers are at the same level as industrial engineers. Data is really a core competence of the group. We are also mature in the infrastructure environment. We are users, but we also contribute to improve it so that it matches our needs. At Air Liquide, we are inventors of the future with an innovation mindset. We go one step farther for our partners to offer them things that are not obvious. Each time we ask ourselves, can we do even better? Today, I am happy in my current position, and on the short term, I look forward to working on new projects close to the business teams. Maybe abroad, who knows? Mobility is also encouraged, and Air Liquide is always here to support us in our career. And why should you join us? For the diversity of projects, the team spirit, the opportunities to live all around the world and build your career within the company. Come invent the future.